Prime Minister Narendra Modi to hold talks with his Vietnamese counterpart today. Two countries to sign several agreements following the talk. The 30th meeting of the Working Mechanism for Consultation and Coordination of India-China Border Affairs (WMCC) was held in New Delhi yesterday. India will host its first multinational air exercise Tarang Shakti 2024 in two phases from 6th of next month in Sular, Tamil Nadu. India elected as Vice Chair of Supply Chain Council under Indo-Pacific Economic Framework. Lok Sabha discusses railway grants for 2024 and 25. BJP praises development under Modi. Opposition calls for separate railway budget.